Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook redirect loop problem. If you're trying to log into your Facebook account but you see this kind of an interface where it says this website has a redirect loop, then you've landed in the right place. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to solve the redirect loop problem on your Facebook account, the first thing to do is to make sure that you check your system time and time zone on your PC. Go and click on your timeline at the bottom right hand corner and make sure that your time and date is correct. If not, simply update it to the correct one. And the next step to follow is open up your web browser from where you are trying to log into your Facebook account. In my case, I'm using my Microsoft Edge. So simply go ahead and click on the three dots at the upper right hand corner and click on the history button. Now, as soon as you do that, this will open up your history for your web browser. Click on the three dots at the top right hand corner one more time and click on clear browsing data from the pop-up displayed. Now you can go ahead and check your browsing history, your downloading history, and all of the cookies and other site data, cached image and files, and click on the clear now button. But you must remember the credentials for your account that is already logged in with your web browser, since you'll be clearing out its data as well. Finally, once you click on clear now, you'll be able to clear all the cache data for the web browser. You can simply now go to your Facebook account by typing in www.facebook.com and make sure to log into your account, and your problem should be fixed. That is how you can easily fix your Facebook redirect loop problem. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.